And we're back with yet again another update on Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar holders, for tuning in on a daily basis. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with the markets. As you can see right now across the board, we are seeing a lot of green and a lot of strength for meme coins specifically. If you've been following my channel on a regular, day-to-day basis pretty much over the last, 2 to 3 years, I'm sure you guys know, pretty much since the meme coin market has, gained substantial, increase in, valuation has increased, people started looking at meme coins, quite seriously. You do tend to see, a little bit of a correlation. And, pretty much I would say over the last 2 months, we haven't seen what meme coins are doing right now specifically. And I will obviously discuss that in my meme coins update, but I just wanted to kind of point that out to you guys because right now, a lot of memes are up quite a bit. But as far as Hbar is concerned, Hbar's price right now is up 2%. So of course in USD comparative, it is up, but we're kind of still lagging in the Bitcoin comparative side of things, down about 0.4%. But price is currently approaching 20 cents, valuation at 8.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $200 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the dominance index here, where we currently are, you are looking at the dominance. Obviously, we did see that retracement for the dominance itself, but you're looking at a little bit of an uptick. Obviously, in a grand scheme of things, we're nowhere near as to, some of the highs that we saw just about a few weeks ago, but obviously still really, really high. But, the fact that, we're still hanging around the 61.5% and obviously not retesting 62%, I think, is playing a positive impact on the altcoin market, because right now, if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin is actually breaking out once again and currently is sitting at $88,100, which again is amazing to see. Looking at it on the hourly time frame, you could see this for yourself. Bitcoin, retested the 88K a few different times. You guys can see this for yourself. We actually retested this 2 different times. Obviously saw a rejection, but could this time be the time where we actually see that breakout and start heading towards the 23.6? We'll see. I'll keep you guys covered. But let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar. So if you're looking at Hbar right now, again, I want to show you guys only the hourly time frame, but today we're only going to focus on this specific pattern. I really want you guys to understand this specific pattern because, this pretty much, summarizes, how the month of March has gone by for Hbar. And you'll notice a little bit of a, pattern playing out. It's pretty much been, sideways consolidation. Of course, as I've mentioned in a lot of my updates, we have seen major amounts of volatility within the crypto markets, but you have really seen Hbar hold quite stagnant, obviously retesting the likes of 18 cents 2 different times, but we have seen bounces, since then. And you can see this for yourself. We set ourselves a yearly high at 20 cents, saw a retracement, obviously a lot of, support built up around this range, but, the target remains to be the same. Of course, right now you're seeing a little bit of a lag compared to, the momentum that we were seeing back on the 3rd. Remember, a lot of people tend to forget that, this is where, the strategic reserve was announced, but there's no such thing as a crypto strategic reserve. But, a lot of bullish announcements were also coming around here. And since then, obviously the price has consolidated, with the overall market, but you really want to see the price of Hbar get back in the the 61.8. If it's able to do that, I think, we could start heading up to some of the levels we haven't pretty much seen over almost a month. But like what I'm seeing here, the fact that, we're still consolidating within this range, I like that. Of course, some people might be, completely bored with this type of price action, but you cannot ignore that, this is sometimes a reality. Rather than the price retesting the likes of 15.5 cents or breaking below it, you're actually seeing the price consolidating, which of course, in my opinion, is a good thing. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.